Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Piano Man on the guitar, only way. Start by tuning to standard pitch and grab a capo for easier voicings if needed. I will guide you through the essential chords, a simple strumming pattern, and how to add the harmonica melody feel on guitar. Follow along slowly, then build tempo as you gain confidence, and pause whenever you need extra practice. Place the capo where your voice feels comfortable and learn the chord shapes that sound like the piano. I will show simple movable shapes and how to play dominant sevenths to capture that classic timbre. Practice switching between chords with steady timing and use partial bar shapes to keep the top strings ringing. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and count beats allowed to lock in the groove. If you are finding this lesson helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes more practice time possible, and its smart mapping keeps your floor's performance ready. I love how it saves time between practice sessions, and it even picks up stray picks and strings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Learn a down-up strum that emphasizes beats 2 and 4 to mirror the song's pulse, then add light palm muting for verses and open ringing for choruses. I will demonstrate melodic fills that reflect the piano hook and how to place them between vocal lines. Practice dynamics by playing softly for verses and louder for the chorus to maintain emotional shape and keep listeners engaged throughout the performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.